This is all about nature. Everything that God has created is so beautiful. You gotta picture this in your head. Water flowing out from the rock like a hidden treasure. And of course we have a pond. Such an ambiance of beauty. The water is still and calm. And then this is the beach. A very beautiful beach. Because nature gave us everything that is beautiful. Look at the people moving on the beach, of course. The serene environment says it all. These are things that money cannot buy. Nature gave it to us for free. Until we begin to value these things that nature has given to us, we tend to preserve them. Look at the sky. The healthy leaves. They are so healthy, beautiful to behold. Sometimes we need to explore more. We are still talking about nature. Look at the snow. Very beautiful. Every other day in the Western world, the snow is a beauty. Let's look at the advantages. What more can I say? There's a lot to explore because the nature